my brain cells just like left me for a second. And welcome to the weekly Boxycharm update. We're going to be talking about the base box today, as well as the Boxy pop-up that just happened. They actually sent some things my way and I'm so excited about them. I'll show you guys those at the end of today's video, but we have another spoiler for the base box. So I'm filming this video on Tuesday. Hopefully I can get it up for you guys on Wednesday, because we've already had a video go up today, because I upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time, and my video's already gone up for today. It was actually a whole review, try on everything on the Tower 28 products. Oh my gosh, guys, I have a lot of them on again today. And yes, I am bringing back the Jersey Shore Dew. It's hair washing day and I didn't feel like curling it, so we're just gonna have this. This is this. If you guys are curious about what is on my eyes today, I am wearing the Naked Honey palette by Urban Decay. This was just half off. It was like $24.50, plus I used my Rakuten and made some moolah back. So there is a video I actually filmed doing this video for you guys, so the video will be coming very soon. So let's go ahead and give the little disclaimer. This is a judgment-free, drama-free, and stress-free zone where we always embrace the hot mess, and your girl is queen of rambles, and we just embrace it here. So anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the base box for June, what we can expect, all of that fun stuff. If you guys are new to Boxycharm and what the base box is, well friends, that is a $25 plus tax monthly box. Woo! My brain cells just like left me for a second. But it is a $25 a month plus tax box where you will receive 5 full-size products, and you will get a value of at least like $125 worth of goodies in that box. Now you do get to customize one item in the box every single month, and our choices for this month I'll have pop up over here. The base choices, and I'm pulling this from Instagram, and anytime I pull anything from Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, what have you, off of anybody's account, I always leave the handle up there, because they get credit where credit is due. Our base choices were the Artist Couture. This, I actually do have a full size of it, guys, and it's actually pretty amazing. I think I may have received this in a Boxycharm a long time ago, but this is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. The one I have is in Summer Haze. I don't remember what shades you got to choose, but it is a good size product, and this stuff is amazing. It is so pretty and shimmery, and oh, like I said, mine is Summer Haze, real pretty, kind of like a rose gold type of shimmer to it. But anyways, that was one of the choices. Then you also had a choice of the Lily Lashes Mascara. You could have chose the Benefit Professional Hydrate Primer or the Professional Original Primer. Both I feel like are really good primers. This one I feel like is, if I'm wearing like a, say like a hydrating or dewy foundation, this works really well. However, if I'm wearing more of like a matte type of foundation, say like the Catrice foundation or the YSL foundation, All Hours foundation, I actually do like the Professional Hydrate Primer in my like T-zone, because I'm very like, hi pores, you could play hide and seek and they're horrible. But anyways, and then the last item you could have chose was by Tula, and this is an under eye cooling type of stick, and I will tell you guys, that's what I was wanting for sure. I really want that cooling stick, because I did see like Manny MUA use it in one of his videos, and I keep hearing amazing things about that. So anyways, that was the choices. So that is the first sneak peek that you will know exactly what is coming in your base box. Next, we have seen the sneak peek spoilers for 3 eyeshadow palettes. Now, the first one we're going to talk about is by a brand that is new to Boxycharm, and this is a brand called Shared Planet, and there are 2 eyeshadow palettes. Now, we don't get to choose. This is a variation. This is not a guarantee, but they did sneak peek these. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Polar Bear eyeshadow palette, and it's inspired by the reflective, cool, icy hues of the Arctic. It's Shared Planet's Polar Bear eyeshadow, and it combines a selection of 12 richly pigmented shades ranging from brilliant violets and diamond blues to stunning metallic silver to rich black. And this has a retail value of $48, and actually I'm on their site right now and it has a 5 out of 5 stars. The reviews are really good. And as far as Shared Planet goes, 10% of all sales go to charities protecting endangered animals. It says buy toxic free cosmetics and help save an animal and look fabulous. So this is a cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, child labor-free, and talc-free eyeshadow palette. The other sneak peek eyeshadow palette that we did see Joe show us is also by Shared Planet, and this is the Tiger eyeshadow palette. Again, retail value is $48, and they have 5 out of 5 stars for this particular palette as well. A little bit about this eyeshadow palette: it's inspired by the tiger and its natural habitat. Shared Planet's Tiger eyeshadow palette mixes a range of 12 rich neutrals, browns, and deep greens with rich, luxurious golds, which, I mean, right now I'm all about the neutrals, the golds, the yummy, like, summer brown. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna make this video way too long. So anyways, that is a variation that you may see in your box. Now the next eyeshadow palette that we're going to talk about that is a potential variation for the base box, he did give us a sneak peek of a Touch and Soul eyeshadow palette called Fill Up Orange palette. And a little bit about this: it does have a retail value of $32, and it says combine your love for strong color and glamorous glitters in the newest eyeshadow palette from Touch and Soul. Get 9 different shades of matte and glitter textures, perfect for creating versatile looks. These eyeshadows are non-creasing and glide onto lids smoothly for easy application and long-lasting wear. So that is another variation that we may see, or you may see, in your base box. So the next item that we saw that is a sneak peek is the Smashbox Photo Finish Weightless Setting Spray with a retail value of $32. It says you can create a look and seal the deal. This high-performing setting spray makes makeup transfer proof. I need to try this. And improves the wear up to 16 hours with a weightless, comfortable feel that never is sticky or greasy. Definitely really hope that I see this in my base box, because who doesn't want that, you know? So that is one. And then next spoiler that we have seen is by Purlisse, and this is the Perfect Glow BB Cream with the SPF of 30. I think that this is perfect. If I see this in the base box, I'm really going to be excited, because I did get a little sample of it in an Ipsy. Really comfortable, really nice and hydrating, but not like greasy and like slippy or anything like that. Has a retail value of $35. It's an oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive skin. And it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different shades available, so that is something. Now, so today Joe showed us another sneak peek, and it was Zoeva, and he showed us some eyeshadow palettes by Zoeva, which we have seen in past boxes. I can't remember which month it was, because I don't even remember half the time what day it is or what month we're in. But I did receive the Zoeva Caramel Melange palette, eyeshadow palette. I actually did a look with this palette. I feel like a lot of people were very hit or miss when it came to these Zoeva eyeshadow palettes. I personally liked it. I had never tried Zoeva formula before, but I didn't have an issue with it at all. So I was excited to see that we will see other variations of the eyeshadow palettes. I will also play his clip that he did, as well as in that clip you're going to see a 4-pan palette. And right here, when I go to Zoeva's page, they have like a strobe palette. Now, I thought it was more of like a contour type of palette that he did show, so I'm not for sure as far as that goes if we're going to get the highlighter palette, or if this is in fact a contour palette. I will tell you guys, as far as the eyeshadow palettes go from Zoeva, there is like a slew of different ones on the Zoeva site, but they do have a retail value of $28. Oh, my foot fell asleep. Oh, please hold momentarily.
BB cream with SPF 30. We're gonna have Smashbox, setting spray, some more palette options. I was trying to swatch this one, but I'm holding the phone, so it wasn't working out. But anyway, those are a couple more palette options. I have shown you some other palettes that will be in the box in a previous video.
Oh my gosh, now my leg is falling asleep. I don't know what's going on. It went from my foot, now it's gone up my leg. The more I look at the video of Joe talking, the more I think it's maybe like more so like a highlight contour type of palette. So anyways, that is what we know so far for our June base box. If you guys are interested in signing up, I will always leave my link to sign up down below in the comment section, and I will post it for you guys. If you guys do decide to use up with using my link, I can't think because I have pins and needles literally shooting underneath my booty cheek right now. I'm like, ah. Okay, sorry, focus sis. Can't. It's like one of those ones where you wiggle and it tickles and you're just like, no, just me? Great, love that. Anyways, guys, if you do decide to sign up for Boxycharm using my link, thank you guys in advance. I do make a little bit of a commission, which goes right back into the channel for you guys. So let's talk about Boxy Popup. Earlier, we had Boxy Popup, and this happens quarterly pretty much, where you can go ahead and get things up to 80% off. Boxycharm was kind enough to gift me some things. You guys know I've been talking about this forever, and they actually sent it over, and it was the Glam Glow set. This is a retail value of $44. I want to say it was part of the Boxy Pop-Up for like $12 on the site, but you get a nice little mix of Super Mud cleansing treatment, which I love this, and then you have 5 different masks. You have a firm mask, hydrate, detoxify, brighten, and moisture mask in here. And like I said, don't quote me on it, but I want to say it had like a $12 it was $12 when Boxy Pop-Up was happening. You just can't beat Boxy Pop-Up. They also sent over the Kapari deodorant. It's a coconut oil based deodorant. It's a natural fragrance free deodorant, and you guys know I'm all about like natural deodorants, all of that stuff, so super excited about that. They also sent over the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream by Sunday Riley. Now this is something I know we have seen in the past. Super excited about this. Sunday Riley is very expensive. I also received the Bite Beauty Nighttime Lip Therapy Agave Mask, and I'm trying to think, somebody I watch talks about this all the time, so I was so I feel like I use excited way too much. That's like my go-to word is excited. And then last but not least, and you guys know Haley and I love Kate Somerville, and they sent over the anti-aging Dermal Quench Liquid Lift. Look how cool this thing is. Look, I've never tried it before, but it's like a shaky squirty. Like, look how funky that is. Is that not funky looking? I've never tried it before, guys. Let me know if you have. Does it work? It's some anti-aging thing, and you know your girl's all about that. You use it in the morning and in the evening. It says use twice a day. Shake the bottle well. Prior to the first use, prime the applicator by spray. I don't know what this is going to do. I probably should watch a video because I don't like to read directions. So anyways, but thank you Boxycharm for sending these goodies over my way. I mean, you guys know how bad I was wanting this. So every single time a Boxy Pop-Up is rolling up, I'm like, I want to get the Glam Glow set. So thank you so much Boxycharm for this. If you guys picked it up, I know a lot of you guys have picked it up in the past and said it's so awesome. So anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give your girl a big thumbs up. Hope you guys enjoyed it enough to stick around, subscribe. My battery's about to die. So until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!